Let's see how to make this video using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and click Explore GPT. Type Canva. ChatGPT will connect you with Canva. Now enter the text to instruct ChatGPT what you need. Once you have given the instruction, it will design the desired thumbnail for you. As you can see, the design is made. Click on the image and you will be taken to Canva. You can change the image. I have already downloaded an image to use. Add a circle and adjust it to the center of the image. Enter the text you need. Adjust the text boxes to align to center. Set the text. Now set the transparency of the circle to about 70%. Change the text. You can change the text as per your requirement. Download the image and you are ready to use it as a thumbnail for your video. This is what you will get. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe for more updates.